Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is completely related to the Infosys off-campus hiring process 23-24 batch. There is an update for the 24 batch. Registration is opening soon for the NFTQ exam. What about 23 batch hiring? Because I got some updates from some of the candidates that Infosys skipped the 2023 batch. That is not true. NFTQ exam and Hack with Infi exam is completed. We are waiting for the system engineer hiring and the salary is 3.6 LPA to 9.5 LPA. In this video, I am discussing about all the important points. Let's start the video. Before starting, as you can see on my screen that NFTQ Wingspan page is updated. Okay. So as you can see on my screen that they just mentioned that registration opening soon. So it is for 2024 batch. One of the most important point that I have to mention, you don't need to pay anything for the NFTQ preparation because NFTQ team already mentioned the learning journey here. You can start your learning journey here, as well as you can select the language Python and Java in which you are preparing, as well as in the 2023 batch. For the 2023 batch, we already made so many videos that is related to free preparation. Okay, that is related to Python series, DBMS series, Java series, as you can see on my screen that, as well as coding question. So you have to do two things. If you are from 2024 batch, join this group. If you are from 23 batch, you can join this group. Okay, both groups are this group is for 23-24, this group is for 24. So you can join. We will provide the free preparation for all of you, as well as let's complete this. So basically Infosys is conducting the examination of campus hiring through three different medium: NFTQ, Hack with Infi, direct hiring. NFTQ and Hack with Infi exam is also direct hiring, but this is like a hackathons. Okay, and this hirings is every year examination. Okay, every year examination means from the 2019 batch, 2020 batch, Infosys start this examination that is related to the NFTQ, Hack with Infi, and they are selecting the candidates for SE role, system engineer, DSE, digital specialist engineer, and specialist programmer, that is previously also called power programmer. Okay, so basically the package is 9.5 LPA for SP, and for DSE it is for 6.25 LPA, and for SE it is 3.6 LPA. Okay, so basically Infosys is hiring previously on this month like February, March, January to March, New Year. Basically for the 2024 batch, most probably we will see the hiring in the upcoming month. Okay, most probably hiring will be announced by September last week or like in the October to December phase. Okay, because most probably in the new year, every new year they are announcing the NFTQ hiring. But don't worry about the system engineer hiring of 2023 batch, because Infosys team, this is called the mass hiring, and according to the current situation the onboarding is remaining. That's why this hiring is not announced yet. Okay, they not skipped the 2023 batch. आपको ये जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं कि 23 बैच की हायरिंग स्किप्ड हो चुकी है, उन्हें खुद नहीं पता है कि इन्फोसिस की प्रोसेस कैसे वर्क करती है. सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट the particular updates. Okay, so basically according to the situation ऐसी आ गई कि जो हायरिंग है वो भी नहीं हो पाई. पर अब क्या होगा कि जैसे ही सिचुएशन नॉर्मल होगी, ऑनबोर्डिंग होगी, एंड उसके बाद डेफिनेटली आपको सिस्टम इंजीनियर की हायरिंग देखने को मिलेगी, क्योंकि सिस्टम इंजीनियर की हायरिंग भी एक एवरी ईयर हायरिंग है जो कि हर साल होती ही होती है. एंड मैंने बोला ना आपको ये मास हायरिंग है. सो बेसिकली वो 23 बैच को जो कंसिडर करेंगे, देखते हैं कि वो 22 या फिर किसी और बैचेस को कंसिडर करते कि नहीं करते. सो मेरा ये वीडियो बनाने का मेन पर्पस यही था. मैंने ऑलरेडी आप सभी के लिए एक वीडियो बना दी थी दो तीन दिन पहले. 2 दिन पहले मैंने ये वीडियो बना दी थी जिसमें मैंने डिफरेंट एग्जाम के बारे में बता भी दिया था. पर एक अपडेट है, NFTQ की सारी चीज़ें स्टार्ट हो चुकी है. पढ़ लीजिए आप. देखिए मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताता हूँ. क्वालिफायर राउंड में आपको एक लैंग्वेज चूज़ करना होती है जिसमें आप जावा और पाइथन चूज़ कर सकते हैं अपने अकॉर्डिंग. सबसे पहले बताना चाहता हूँ कि आप अपने हिसाब से एक लैंग्वेज चूज़ कर लीजिए, आपको जावा में पढ़ना है या पाइथन में पढ़ना है, और उस हिसाब से अपनी प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर लीजिए। प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस आपको इस सीरीज में मिल जाएंगे, मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर दूंगा, आप सारी चीज़ें देख सकते हैं। सोन आई विल मेक वन वीडियो दैट इज रिलेटेड टू हाउ टू स्टार्ट प्रिपरेशन फॉर NVTQ। आई होप दिस वीडियो इज यूजफुल फॉर एवरीवन। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।